The VW Beetle was conceived in 1933 after Adolf Hitler's rise to power. Hitler approached car engineer Ferdinand Porsche and asked him to create a car for the German people, Volkswagen. The Vision was a family car able to reach 60 miles per hour, fuel efficient, that would be sold for half of the price of the average car at the time. Porsche's design placed the engine at the back side of the car and the spare tire in the front. The Tatra, a popular Czechoslovakian car, was chosen as a reference. The company filed several lawsuits for copyright infringement. Hitler rejected the charges, and shortly after that annexed Czechoslovakia to the Third Reich. Throughout World War II, most of the German resources were directed to the battlefront, and only few Beetles were actually produced. Those few were handed to the Nazi elite. At the end of the World War, British Army held the main VW factory. One of the officers in charge saw the great potential of the car, convinced the army to buy 20,000 units, and hence ensured the Beetle's future. By 1955, 1 million cars had been produced, and by 1965, 1 million cars were produced annually. In 1972, the Beetle overtook Ford Model T, becoming the best-selling car of all time. The VW Beetle has since become a cultural icon, and continued to be successfully sold even after the introduction of superior car technologies. Astonishingly, production of the Beetle continued in Mexico until as recently as 2003, when the last assembly line stopped and the factory closed its gates.